my puppies. Hey! What are you doing? Oh my gosh, you're such a ham. Hey guys, it's Kate and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm pretty excited. I have from a mystery person, a Valentine's Day swap box that I participated in. And I do apologize for the lighting. I am filming after work, so it's a little bit later in the afternoon and it's raining. Thank you, Florida. So I'm gonna try to get through this while I do have a little bit of light, but I'm very excited to open it up and see what I got. I love that it says Valentine's Day goodies on the inside to start. So we are starting off with an Esmeralda classic Valentine, and it says, "Hope your heart feels like dancing. Happy Valentine's Day." From your secret Valentine, Terryn, aka TwinkleBellTerryn. How sweet. I love it. And you don't really see a lot of Esmeralda merchandise or Hunchback of Notre Dame merchandise at all, for that matter. So that's really cool. And it actually is kind of glossy. So that is really neat, and I can use that in my scrapbooking. This is what the inside looks like. We've got that traditional confetti paper that is really fun. So let's just go ahead and open on up. The first thing I'm seeing in here is a pair of ears. They're taking up the majority of the box. Oh my gosh. Good thing I'm not wearing any. That's perfect. I can put these on for the video. Wow, Terryn, did you make these yourself? These are beautiful. And I love the buffalo plaid. That's not necessarily Valentine's Day to me, but it's very holiday, very Christmassy. These are so cute. And this is what the back looks like. How fun. Oh my gosh, I have a mirror right here. It's my closet doors. So I'm gonna pop that on my head. Oh, cute. Perfect. So glad I did not wear ears. Oh, I love these. So cute. Thank you, Terryn. All right, let's keep looking, because there is definitely still other stuff amidst the worms over here. Next thing I'm pulling out are some Moana socks, and these are sweet. They have Hey Hey on them, which is so fun, and the clouds that he's in front of are kind of fuzzy. So these are cotton and fuzzy socks. Super cute. Love those. And then there's also a couple other things in here. More confetti. That's going to be fun for me to pick up here at the end. Oh my gosh. Next thing I'm seeing is something Rapunzel, because I love Rapunzel, and I did put that on my hobby wish list thing that we filled out. It's like a little statue. Okay, I'm gonna put her together because she is stinking cute. Does that attach to her hair or to her foot? I feel like that would attach to her foot, right? That would make sense. I don't know though. I'm trying to stick it on her foot and it's not staying. And I don't want to break it. Yeah, I don't want to break that. So maybe attach it to her hair. I don't know. I'm gonna have to have my husband help me with that. This thing is smarter than me apparently, but she is precious. I love how childlike she looks. She just looks really sweet. I love that her tiara is included. Her dress is stunning. She is really cute. I want to be able to do this by myself. Why can't I do it? I just have a feeling I'm gonna break her. Okay, I did it. Look! Oh goodness. Look, and I can put her with my little Rapunzel Tsum Tsums back there. Awkward arm angle. Oh my gosh, that's so cute. Love it. And then I have this little bubble wrapped piece. Oh, it's a pin from the Disney store. It's Minnie Mouse. I'm gonna take it out of the packaging so there isn't a glare. And I can show you guys. Look how cute. Oh, I like that. That's really sweet. Super fun. Love that. I'm gonna put it back in its packaging so it doesn't get scratched. I want to keep that nice and safe. cute. There's still a couple more things. There is a Sophia the First Grow towel, which is so cute. I actually really like Sophia the First. I love really all of the Disney princesses, and I think that she is no exception. She's precious. I love that her amulet allows her to speak to animals. I love that in the show all of the original princesses come to visit her and help her through any situation, like problems that she's having, and give her life lessons. I think that's really cute. And this is going to be fun to keep for when I have my own baby eventually. Even if it's a boy, he will like Sophia the First, I feel like. The very last thing that's in here, I love this, and I'm so sad because I can't wear it. These are tangled earrings, and I actually saw these at Box Lunch in person, and I just about died. They are so pretty. I love especially the cuff set here because it has the lantern and then all of these really pretty yellow beads that dangle down and would dangle down around your ear. I am incredibly sensitive, or my skin is incredibly sensitive. It didn't ever used to be that big of an issue when I had my original piercings in my ear, but ever since getting my second piercings about 2 summers ago, any metal that I put in my ears, within a few hours, they're automatically infected, even if I'm wearing real gold, sterling silver, titanium, whatever. So I have not been able to wear earrings because my ears get infected. So I love this, and I will probably just keep it, and maybe I can do something like decorate a pin board or something with them, but unfortunately I cannot wear them, which is a super bummer because like I said, I saw this in Hot Topic myself and just really wanted to buy them. So I'm sad because I love it and I can't use it. That is everything in my box. I love everything that I got. Thank you so much, Terryn. This was so fun to do, and I am looking forward to possibly doing more of these in the future. I know that they were very popular around Vlogmas. A lot of YouTubers were doing Christmas box exchanges, and I would love to do another one. It's super fun to get to really connect with your fellow Disney YouTubers because it can kind of feel solitary because you're just sitting in your room talking to a camera, but that there's actually like real people behind those cameras, and you know, getting to speak with them, whether that be through Instagram messaging, Facebook messaging, or even through box swaps like this. It really just makes the community feel more real, in my opinion. I really enjoyed it. So thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed, please check out all of the other ladies that did the swap box as well. I will have all of their links in the description below. And if you did enjoy this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you've come here from another one of those ladies' channels, I would love for you to subscribe and stick around. I've got tons of Disney content. I upload Monday, Wednesdays, and Fridays, so I am here all the time. You'll get very used to, or very annoyed of maybe, my face. But I will talk to you guys later. Bye!